Hi Dresso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dale from Chip and Dale. So let's get started. To draw cute Dale, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to start right here with a very round oval. So I'm going to draw a curve and then just round it off and connect. There. So now this big nose in, I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve going across. And same thing here. Long, soft curve. There. Then from there, we're going to draw the eyes. So using this as my base, I'm going to come right about here and just draw a big curve going up, kind of like an oval, and come right back down to about right there. And so then we're going to come right about here and we're going to cut it off about here. And then inside we're going to draw an oval coming on next to this side right here towards this edge. And then a highlight right here and shade it in. There. Just gonna make this a little bit thicker. And the top of the eye. Okay, so same thing on this side, about right here. We're gonna go up. And I'll just drag this across. So I'm drawing pretty big, so I know how high to go up. And do the same thing. But this side, we're going to come down this way with our curve. And then once again, we're going to draw this oval right on this edge inside. There. Okay, so now that we have that, before I forget, I'm just going to draw a curve right over the nose. And then we need to draw his mouth. So I'm going to come right underneath and let's say about right here. I'll give myself a point so I know how far I want to bring this curve. And I'm going to come right underneath the eye about right here. And I'm just going to draw this big curve for a big smile. And bring it right back up to the other side. Same thing. There. And we're just going to cap this off. And cap it off. And then we need to draw his teeth, right? So right about here on this side, I'm going to draw 2 angle lines. And then connect it, round it off. So same thing on this side. Slight angle in. And then connect it to round it off. And in between, we're going to connect it with a deep curve. There. And then, of course, his tongue. So just draw 2 curves right in here. And then underneath this, we need to add another curve. There. Aww, it's coming together, right? So then we need to come around the eye, and so about right here and here we want to center this. We're going to go up around the eye nice and high. Say about right here. And we're going to bring it all the way down to, let's see here, bring this down to about right here and stop. So same thing on the other side. And I'm just gonna make sure I'm about the same height. And stop about right there. And before I forget, I'm just gonna thicken this top curve up. There. Okay, so then from there, we're going to go ahead once again and we'll come right here and we're going to pop out a curve on both sides. We're just nice and even on both sides. So just pop out this curve and let's go ahead and draw some fur. So 1, 2, and 3. Same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to bring a curve right back down to here. So everything else is pretty much the same as what we did with Chip, the drawing of Chip. So definitely check out that video as well. So right here. So the main difference is the nose and the eyes. Okay. And the teeth, of course. And then from there, we can go ahead and come back up. We're going to go around the eye. Same thing here. And we're going to go up. And unlike Chip, Dale has some fluff of fur at the top here for hair. So we're going to come right about here. Towards the center, we're going to stop and then just come up with maybe 1, 2, and 3 curves. And then just imagine this is coming through wherever it would be, and then just continue your curve to finish off the head. There. And then of course we have some ears. So find your center, which is about here. We're going to go to the left, go up, round off the tip, come down, and then the inside, and same thing here. There. Okay, finally done. Then from there, let's draw the body. And so we're going to come about right here, just like we did with Chip. And right about here, kind of like where the eyes are, right here. And we're going to draw some fur again. So 1, 2, 3 maybe, and then bring it in. 1, 2, 3, and then bring it in. So same thing. And oh, actually, you know what? I'm just looking at this, and this is too. I'm gonna pop this out a little bit more. Sorry about that. Okay, now we're in. Bring it in, and then this is kind of like where the armpit area would be on both sides. So we're gonna curve right about here. There. And then we can go ahead and just like we did. So we're going to come right here. Just following that curve, and we're going to bring this down to about right here. And connect. There. And then we can go ahead and right about here, we're going to pop this out. And bring it down, continue this, and the foot, and then 2 little curves. So same thing here. Okay, so now that we have that on this side, I thought it'd be cute to have Dale's hand behind his back on this side. So right here, I'm just going to curve, kind of dip it in a little bit, come out, and then just, whoops, then just tuck it in. And then on this side, let's just have his hands come out, go out, and sticking it up. And once again, just a waving hello. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. And just like Chip, right about here, I'll add a heart to make this my Draw So Cute Dale from Chip and Dale. I really hope you love this drawing of Dale and also the one I did of Chip. So please make sure to check that out. And I hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.